Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. A fantastic opportunity awaits you in the cool hills of Cedar Grove, Manchester. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home features a character-filled interior and comes equipped with well-proportioned rooms, plus a 1-bedroom flat income earner. Natural lighting creates the perfect ambience in the comfortably sized junior suite that features a walk-in closet and skyline views. Low maintenance and simple. The secondary junior suite bathroom is highlighted by a separate shower and a jacuzzi tub. Head outside to the tranquil front, which features a large patio and views of the hills. There is also a sizable single car attached garage. The land area of this house is approximately 6,000 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34 million or US $220,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.